Do you want to teach your children wash hands properly? Follow me, I'll tell you how. All we need to use is Glitterbug potion and a special lamp. Squirt the dose of Glitterbug onto your children's hands. Tell them to rub it as if it's a moisturizer, okay? Like this. Send them to wash hands. Before you wash, use the normal light. And you see? No germs. Now use the UV light. Oh, yucky, yucky. See, lots and lots of germs. I have lots and lots of germs. Let's see what will stay once I wash my hands. Wash, wash. Don't forget to use the soap. I think I did a good job. They look clean. Now use the UV light to show the areas that they missed. So in my case, there is not much, but some. A little bit left over on the palm. See this line? Nothing between fingers, but some residue on the pinky. And the nails are kind of okay, but there are some minor areas where it's not covered. So for example here, see? Glowbug helps you to see which areas you missed and which areas you usually miss when you wash your hands. Great tool for children to learn in early childhood centers at home and at school.